Hello and welcome to my series about ON1 Photo Raw 2019. Today we are continuing on this image and we are going to work with the tone enhancer, which is one of the last things I do on my edits. The tone enhancer is a really powerful filter. It allows you to balance out the tones in your image with the compression, and you can add other effects such as clarity and balance the shadows and highlights and stuff like that. So we are just going to go into the effects as usual. Then we go to add filter and look up the tone enhancer. So the last episode we worked on the glow, and with the glow we were able to kind of soften the details that I wanted to be soft. But the glow filter also did a lot to the shadows, possibly a little too dark. So there's not too many details in the shadows. So we are going to try and balance that, and we are going to try and balance every tone in this image to a more softer, dreamy look. So let's just start. We are going to start with the shadows. So I'm just going up. Yeah, and suddenly we have a lot more details. So that was just a single click. Plus 13 made our image shine up like a diamond. No, maybe not, but yeah. And then we can actually hit the Alt or Option key and J to enable the clipping warnings that are on the histogram. And as you can see, we are clipping some in the blacks, but that doesn't matter. Our printer is able to print black if we want to print this image. It would be worse if it was actually clipping on the highlights, but it's not. So we are actually going to go up ever so slightly on the highlights, not much, but just a little bit. So to around here. Then we could also try to go up on the whites just to create an even more brighter image. And yeah, let's try and go up to until it clips again. So it should be clipping really soon here. It's kind of surprising that it's not clipping, but that's the tone enhancer. So you really can't go overboard with the tone enhancer. Of course it's going to change the tones you are trying to change, but it's not going to change it as much as in the develop module under the tone there. So this is too bright. I want to go down on the whites again. So let's go down to around 10 maybe. Yeah, around here. Then we're going to drop the blacks just a little bit, not too much, to around, yeah, that's too much. Yeah, to around here, I guess. So dropping the blacks allows us to get more contrast in our image. And I'm actually going to go up on the contrast as well. So we're just gonna push it, push it, push it. Yeah, and then I see that it's starting to be a bit dark. So I think we should go up on the exposure just a little bit, not too much. Need to be really careful. That's too much. And let's go back to around here. So yeah, that's that's not a lot, but yeah. Okay, so then we are done with the toning. Let's do the compression, and we are going up in medium increments. Yeah, so that's not changing it too much. If the image is balanced in the tones already, so then it won't change too much. If it's really unbalanced, it will balance it better. So we're going up to about 30, yeah, 36. It's not changing too much. Let's go up even more, and then you see this is too much again. So now we really pulled away all of the colors and pop. So that was far too much. So we are actually going down on the compression. I think we might actually go down to about 10 to 15. Yeah, to around here, I think. So it should be more balanced. Now it might be hard to see, but yeah, it should be more balanced. So this is the tone enhancer. Yeah, so that's it. If you want to buy ON1 Photo Raw 2019, you can do so in the link in the description, and you will get 10% off, and it will help me. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, click the like button. If you dislike this video, click on the dislike button, but tell me why you don't like it in the comments. And finally, if you want to see more videos, click on that subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye.